Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the keyboard backlight on your ASUS VivoBook. So first, simply check if your VivoBook has a backlit keyboard. So not all models actually have one. So simply look for a keyboard light icon on the spacebar or on one of the function keys. Now next, you can then press the function key plus the key which has the keyboard light icon. So this could usually be F3 or F4. So this is then going to turn the backlight on or off. So some models also let you adjust the brightness by pressing the combination multiple times. And you can also check ASUS Armory Crate or My ASUS software, then open it and go to device. From there, you then have to select keyboard backlight and adjust the settings from there. So after this, your ASUS VivoBook keyboard light should turn on, making it easier to type in low light conditions. And that's it. So that's how to turn on the keyboard backlight on your ASUS VivoBook. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.